Just before the snowstorm. Snow clouds in from the east as we begin our walk to Thor's Hill. A blackbird flushes, squawking from the undergrowth, and snowdrops cower in yesterday's snowdrift. Other birds seek shelter in the deeper woods and trees, while the wind is nose-nippingly cold and eyes water. The snow drifts down sparingly, tentatively, silently. How still and quiet as we walk to Thor's Hill. Even the woods are silent and still in the shadows of grey and brown. Winter wear. No merry yaffling from the green woodpecker now. No pasque flowers peeping above the windy parapet. And still the snow drifts down silently and softly. A train hoots through the level crossing down below on the plain. Red lights flash in 3 counties worth of landscape. Thor slumbers on beneath the prow of the hill, oblivious to the snowflakes, silent, still, and slumbering. Silent, still, and snowing sporadically. Even the moss cowers before the snowflakes, pinched and huddled on the deadwood. The trees stand impassive, stoic, ready to bow under the onslaught yet to come. Bare roots grasping the ground tenaciously, dendrite determination. Snow sprinkles down like some sort of divine dandruff, while the buzzard sits all mumpty up in the tree beside the road. Not her favourite weather. Dark, snow-bellied clouds lurk on the horizon, menacing the landscape below. The woods, the hill, the flat fields alike. And then the snow comes in, silent, sudden, and smotheringly gentle. And the wind whistles in while the snow begins its deadly dance, whirling, twirling, tumbling, and twisting around, covering the woods, the hill, and the landscape, all encompassing. Nothing is missed. All is snow mist.